An ecosystem is a community of living organisms, plants, animals, and microbes, in conjunction with the non-living components of their environment, things like air, water, and mineral soil, interacting as a system. These biotic and abiotic components are regarded as linked together through nutrient cycles and energy flows, as ecosystems are defined by the network of interactions among organisms and between organisms and their environment. They can be of any size but usually encompass specific, limited spaces, although some scientists say that the entire planet is an ecosystem.
Marine ecosystems are among the largest of Earth's aquatic ecosystems. They include oceans, salt marsh and intertidal ecology, estuaries and lagoons, mangroves and coral reefs, the deep sea, and the seafloor. They can be contrasted with freshwater ecosystems which have a lower salt content. Marine water covers two-thirds of the surface of the earth. Such places are considered ecosystems because the plant life supports the animal life and vice versa.
Freshwater ecosystem are a subset of all aquatic ecosystems. They include lakes and ponds, rivers, streams, springs, and wetlands. They can be contrasted with marine ecosystems, which have larger salt content. Freshwater habitats can be classified by different factors, including temperature, light penetration, and vegetation. Freshwater ecosystem can be divided into lentic ecosystem and lotic ecosystem.
river is a natural water course, usually fresh water flowing towards an ocean, a lake, a sea, or another river. In some rare cases, a river could flow into ground and dry up completely at the end of its course without reaching another body of water. Small rivers may be called as several others, including stream, brook, rivulet, and rill. There are no official definitions for generic terms, such as a river, as applied to geographic features, although in some countries or communities a stream may be defined by the size.
A terrestrial ecosystem is an ecosystem found only on landforms. 6 primary terrestrial ecosystems exist: tundra, taiga, temperate deciduous forest, tropical rainforest, grassland, and desert.
Temperate deciduous forests or temperate broadleaf forests are dominated by trees that lose their leaves each year. They are found in areas with warm, moist summer and mild winter.
Organisms are living here are mushroom. Mushroom is a fleshy, spores-bearing fruiting body of the fungus, typically produced ground on soil or on its food source. The standard food of a mushroom is the cultivated white-bottom mushrooms. Hence, the word mushroom is the most often applied to those fungi that have a stem, a cap, and gills or forest on the underside of the cap. These forests or gills produce a microscopic spores that helps a fungus spread across the ground on its occupant surface.
Mosses are small flowerless plants that usually grow in dense green clumps or mats, in damp or shady location. The individual plants are usually composed of simple, one-cell thick leaves covering a thin stem that supports them but does not conduct water and nutrients.
Grassland are areas where the vegetation is dominated by grasses. Grassland occur naturally on all continents except Antarctica. Grasslands are found in most ecoregions of the Earth. For example, there are 5 terrestrial ecoregion classifications of the temperature: grasslands, savannas, and shrubland zone, which is one of the 8 terrestrial ecosystems of the Earth's surface.
Tropical rainforest. This ecosystem experiences high average temperature and a significant amount of rainfall. Rainforests can be found in Asia, Australia, Africa, South and Central America, Mexico, and on many of the Pacific, Caribbean, and Indian Ocean islands.
Ecology, how the living interacts with their home, where they meet, eat, and breed other species and biomes, and the place where an organism lives. Habitat provides the things an organism needs. Organism of one species. temperatures